Once you have filled out your forms for registration, mailed them in, and achieved a certificate of copyright ownership, you own all the rights to this music. This means that no one can perform, use, or have anything to do with the music without your permission. However, there is an exception, and this is entitled fair use. Fair use allows copyrighted material to be used legally without permission for specific purposes. Some of these purposes include criticism, comment, news, educational purposes, teaching, scholarships, and research. For example, here is a tune entitled Mood Indigo, which was copyrighted in 1931. This piece of music was copied and distributed in a classroom for purposes to train singers how to sing in different keys. This is acceptable use as if it is used in a room and no one is going to be making money from the use of this copyrighted work.